Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering on the Arctis Nova 7 and charging it fully so battery calibration is accurate. Once done, plug the USB wireless dongle into a rear USB 3.0 port. This gives the headset its low-latency connection. Make sure you install or open SteelSeries Engine to check firmware, updates fix audio profiles, and mic performance. If the headset doesn't appear in Engine, unplug and reinsert the dongle, then power cycle the headset. You want the device recognized before moving on. You now pair and fine-tune audio. Press and hold the power button to force pairing mode so the dongle and headset lock together. The LED will confirm pairing. Next, go to your OS sound settings and set Arctis Nova 7 as default playback and recording device so games and apps route correctly. Then open SteelSeries Engine to tweak EQ, sidetone, and chat mix. These choices change clarity and balance. If voice sounds thin, boost microphone gain and reduce noise suppression gradually. You finish by validating performance in actual use. Join a quick voice chat and run an in-game audio test to confirm spatial cues and mic clarity. Make small adjustments in SteelSeries Engine until balance feels right, and remember to use chat mix to prioritize voice or game audio. If you get dropouts, move the dongle to a different rear USB port, apply a firmware reset in Engine, and keep other wireless devices away. If audio persists, power cycle headset and reinstall the driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.